This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade softwares, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get regular update on my gold analysis video. Let us look at today's economic calendar. Today is Wednesday, June 22nd. At 11:30 am, we have high impacting news on British pound related currency pairs. Then at 6 pm, we have high impacting news on Canadian dollar related currency pairs. Following which we have medium impacting news also. Then at 7 pm we have high impacting news on US dollar related currency pairs. So requesting you to consider these economic calendar schedules also while deciding on your trade entry and exits. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'll be doing today's analysis from the 4 hours time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the current trend of the price action, support and resistance of the current price actions. I'm in 4 hours time frame now. When we look at the support level in 4 hours time frame, we have noticed the price action to bounce back from the support level of 1807 several times. So this will be acting as a very strong support level, and we have also noticed the price to bounce back from this support level of 1798. So whole this area will be acting as a very strong support level if the price action continues its downtrend. And when we look at the resistance level, again we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this resistance level of 1874 several times in the past. So this level will be acting as a very strong resistance level when the price action bounces back from this support level and retests this resistance level of 1874. So overall, when we look at the price action in 4 hours time frame, it is still trading on a sideways. Previously it went on a bullish trend, and currently we are noticing the price action to retrace on a bearish trend. It is a range bound market for now when we look at it from the 4 hours time frame. Within this range bound market, I am going to draw a resistance line or a trend line to understand the current trend of the price action. So when we notice this resistance line, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal whenever it tests this resistance level. It is a very strong trend line for now, and we can also notice that it is trading within a triangle pattern, and currently the trading range of the price action is becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect a directional breakout from this triangle pattern. If the price action breaks the support level of 1807, it will be the continuation of the bearish trend, and if the price action breaks this resistance line, we have the next level of resistance which is around 1874, which is also a very strong resistance level. Looking from the past price action, it has to break this resistance level in order to start its bullish trend reversal. And when we look at the support level, we have noticed the price action to bounce back from this support level of 1828 several times, and currently the price action is testing this support level of 1828. So if the price action breaks this support level, next target is going to be the support level of 1807. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. For hourly time frame, I am drawing one more trend line or the support line. So looking at this support line, we can notice that price has tested this support line several times, and it has given a breakout from this support line. It has also retested this resistance line for now. So it is a valid breakout, and if the price action breaks the higher time frame support level of 1828, we can expect the price action to continue its bearish trend. Again, I am drawing one more resistance line over here. So as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line or the trend line, we can expect the price action to trend on a bearish side. Currently it is consolidating within this support and resistance line. Wait for the price action to break the support level of 1828 in order to take trades on the bearish side. An overall trend from the 4 hours time frame is also on a bearish side or on a retracement for now. So there are more chances for the price action to break this support level and to continue its bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this yellow color boxes are going to be the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame also we are clearly noticing the price action is taking support on the previous support level, which is around 1828. Wait for the price action to break this support level in order to take a bearish side trades, and if the price action bounces back from this support level, we can expect it to take resistance on the hourly time frame resistance line or a trend line. Only if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect the bullish trend reversal in 30 minutes time frame. Currently it is on a bearish trend or in a retracement. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, I'm drawing one more resistance line over here, and based on this resistance line we have noticed the price action to consolidate within the higher time frame support level of 1829 and the resistance line from the 5 minutes time frame. Since this is a higher time frame support level, the price has tested this support level several times and has bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. So it will take some more time to break this support level. We want to take trades on the bearish side. Wait for the price action to completely break this support level, which means that it has to form candles below this support level. Not only one, wait for 1 or 2 candles to be formed, then take trades on the bearish side. Because this is a lower time frame, we can have a false breakout also in a lower time frames. Enter into the trade only after proper confirmation on the breakout. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.